Obviously, you should know by now that the fastest and easiest way to make money in crypto is to launch meme coins. And I've discussed this in a lot of my previous videos. The problem is most people want to make easy money, but don't want to put in any of the work it takes to make it successful. This includes setting up a website, creating social media accounts and a Telegram, creating the content to post to those accounts, and contacting influencers and paying them thousands of dollars to potentially promote their coin. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can launch a meme coin in just a few minutes and make a ton of money from it without having to do any of this. And make sure you stay to the end of the video for my latest giveaway info as well. Now, as I've discussed in previous videos, you don't actually need to set up any website or socials, and you don't need to already have an audience to promote your coin to. But you can't just throw up a coin on Pump.fun and pray that people buy it. Thousands of coins are launched every day that not one single person will ever see or buy. And it's just a massive waste of time if you're doing that. So there are two ways to guarantee that your coin gets buyers and makes money every single time you launch one, no matter what the coin is. Number one, you can either launch it from within a tool like MemeTools, where you can bundle the supply in 20 or more wallets that you control from within their dashboard. Then you can start up their volume bot to create volume and entice buyers while creating natural looking distribution. You can then sell your supply slowly to take profits without completely crashing the chart or rugging the coin. Now, this is how the pros do it, and I've been using MemeTools for a couple years now, and it's evolved into the ultimate tool if you want to do this successfully and consistently to make money. I'm not going to go into a full tutorial, but I have a video that I'll link here and in the description if you want to watch that to see how it works. Number two, the other option, if you just want to launch on Pump.fun, is to use a tool like Coin Launch Pro. So instead of having to do all the marketing for your coin, they promote your coin for you and will start to drive buy volume to it as soon as you order one of their packages. Depending on what you order, this can push it onto the first page of Pump.fun, which gets a ton more people noticing it. Once it has some nice volume coming in and is trending, buyers will then FOMO in because, well, people are pretty stupid and nobody wants to miss out on whatever is trending. So if your coin looks like it's trending, people will buy. It's literally that simple. So all you do is you create your coin in Pump.fun, you put in the name, the ticker, a short description, and upload a photo. I literally just asked ChatGPT to give me trending meme coin ideas. It doesn't have to be complicated or elaborate. Often the dumber it is, the better. Then once it's live, you can order one of these packages depending on your budget. You just enter the token name and address, click submit, then you send them the Solana, enter your email address, and then sit back and watch the volume come in. These are really your only two options if you want to be able to make money from launching a meme coin without going through all the time, effort, hassle, and money of setting up a website, Telegram, socials, and without having to contact influencers to hope they'll promote your coin. If you want to guarantee that you'll make thousands of dollars every single launch like I've been doing, you just combine MemeTools with Coin Launch. I always bundle and launch the coin in MemeTools because you can launch them for both Pump.fun and Bonk.fun in the dashboard. And then because they guarantee you'll hit a specific market cap range with Coin Launch, you get results like these. So for these, I paid 1 sol for the starter promo package and made anywhere from 3 to about 5 sol in profits. Then when I think a meme coin can do well, I choose the growth package, which is 2 sol, and have been making anywhere from 5 to 8 sol in profits. If I think I have something that is really trending and can do really well, I choose the momentum package for 5 sol, and have made anywhere from 12 to 30 sol was my biggest win, which was about 5.5K in profit at the time. which is a crazy return for something you can set up in minutes by clicking a few buttons. So if you're not doing this yourself, you must just absolutely hate money at this point. Obviously, using MemeTools bundler means that I'm able to take profit by selling from my individual wallets instead of just the dev wallet. So I can get more money out without crashing the chart or scaring other holders when selling from the dev wallet. But you can do it however you like and just launch straight from Pump.fun or Bonk.fun if you want. The main thing is to just get in there and try things. The market is insanely hot right now and it's not going to last forever. So you want to take advantage of it while people are just throwing money at everything. I'll leave the link for MemeTools and CoinLaunch in the description if you want to check them out. And make sure to like this video and subscribe. I gave away 3 salt to a subscriber who commented on one of my videos last month, and I'm doing it again. So leave a like and comment on this video, and I'll be giving away another 3 Solana to a subscriber at the end of the month. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye for now.